This is good now. Whatever you do, don't fart. Hey, what's up, ladies? Oh, you're from around these parts, eh? Yeah, I'm from Saskatchewan. That's up in Canada, eh? You American ladies, you've been out to Saskatchewan, eh? Oh, Caesars.
Hi guys, it's Jordan Watson and this is my updated bike check. So I'm going to start off the front. I've got black ODI long neck grips, S&M Grand Slam bars, and they're cut down to like 26 or 27. Really good for bar spins and things of that nature. A Sabrosa stem. It's just some stock stem. Hoffman Scarab EL frame in gray. Some old Primo forks that have lasted me forever. They're my favorite forks. I'm good at bending forks. Eastern green axle nuts. Purple nitrous double shot front rim with a sealed nitrous hub, and a Haro MS4 multi-surface 4 tire. It's pretty nice. We the People seat that's bent purposely. Shadow wedge pivotal post. I've got just a stock stolen bottom bracket. Stolen cranks. White Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I've got a profile spindle bolt that I really don't need. Got an Eastern axle nut with a salt rear wheel. Wasn't liking the nitrous one. It's got a sealed hub, 9-tooth driver, double wall rim, you know. I've already tightened the spokes up once on it, so spokes are pretty good at coming loose, but no. We've got Odyssey P-Light tire. It's really nice. Really worn down though. Eastern Medusa 25-tooth sprocket in purple. Stolen cranks. Odyssey twisted PC. Just a regular KMC chain. Never half links again, not for me. They're just, I snap them way too easy. Regular chains I don't snap. I've got G Sport Plagues and just a stock stolen headset. So yeah, that's my bike, and here's the hub noise. It's pretty loud. I like their wheels so far though. So yeah, that's my bike.